In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix LinkedIn verification failed. So if you're trying to verify your identity on LinkedIn and you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it. The primary reason might be the identity documents that you provided is not correct. So make sure to capture the identity document using the mobile device. Also make sure the photo is clear, well lit and shows all the corners. Also take in account the lighting and clarity of the photo. Take the photos in a well-lit areas without glare. Ensure the name on your ID matches your LinkedIn profile. Also make sure to provide the perfect selfie complying by the requirements when you're asked to take a live selfie. Now after you do that, all you have to do is wait for your identity to be verified. If your attempt fails, what you can do is simply wait for 24 hours before trying again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with this application itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the LinkedIn application. For that, launch open app library of your device and find this application for LinkedIn. Long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, tap on this option storage and cache. Now over here you'll be able to find two options. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after clearing the cache, apply for the identity verification again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If not, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install the application. Now again attempt for the identity verification and your problem should be solved. So that is how you fix LinkedIn verification problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.